A switch is a networking device that connects multiple devices together in a local area network, LAN, and enables communication between them. Unlike a hub, which simply forwards incoming packets to all connected devices, a switch uses its MAC address table to send packets only to the intended device. Here are some common uses of switches. Connecting devices in a LAN. Switches are commonly used to connect multiple devices such as computers, printers, and servers together in a LAN. They provide fast and efficient communication between devices and allow for simultaneous communication between multiple devices. Improving network performance. Switches provide improved network performance compared to hubs because they only send packets to the intended device. This reduces network congestion and improves overall network speed and efficiency. Supporting VLANs. Switches can be used to support virtual LANs, VLANs, which enable network administrators to group devices together and isolate network traffic. This provides improved network security and can also help with network management and troubleshooting. Providing quality of service, COS. Some switches provide COS features, which allow network administrators to prioritize traffic based on specific criteria such as traffic type or source/destination IP address. This helps ensure that critical traffic, such as voice and video, are given higher priority on the network. Supporting PoE. Some switches support Power over Ethernet, PoE, which enables devices such as IP phones and wireless access points to receive power over the network cable. This simplifies installation and reduces the need for additional power cables. Overall, switches play a critical role in local area networks by providing fast and efficient communication between devices, improving network performance, and enabling advanced features such as VLANs and COS. There are several types of switches that are commonly used in networking. Here are some of the most common types. Unmanaged switches. These are basic switches that are typically used in small networks. They have no configuration interface and simply allow devices to connect and communicate with each other. Managed switches. These are more advanced switches that offer features such as VLANs, quality of service, COS, and traffic monitoring. They can be configured and managed using a web-based interface or command line interface. Layer 2 switches. These switches operate at the data link layer of the OC model and use MAC addresses to forward packets. They are typically used to connect devices in a LAN and support basic features such as VLANs and COS. Layer 3 switches. These switches operate at the network layer of the OC model and support advanced routing features such as OSPF and BGP. They are typically used in larger networks and provide improved routing performance compared to traditional routers. PoE switches. These switches support Power over Ethernet, PoE, and can provide power to devices such as IP phones, wireless access points, and security cameras. This simplifies installation and reduces the need for additional power cables. Stackable switches. These switches can be stacked together to create a single logical switch. This provides improved scalability and simplifies network management. Cloud-managed switches. These switches can be managed and monitored remotely using a cloud-based management interface. This allows for easy management of geographically distributed networks. The type of switch used in a network depends on the specific needs of the network and the organization's size and complexity. In many cases, multiple types of switches may be used in a single network to provide optimal performance and functionality.